Family Internship presentation by Soraya Ordonez, Brigham Young University, Idaho. How do you arrange the internship? I searched in Craigslist jobs under nonprofit sector. I sent my resume and I add a note to ask if they did internships. I received an email asking for an interview, and I attended to the interview. In the interview, the director of the company asked me why I want to do my internship in this company that was dedicated to giving services to people with development disabilities. And my bachelor's degree was about marriage and family studies. So I told her that the classes that I was taking also helped me to work in a company that provides services to adults with development disabilities. What were your responsibilities in the internships? It was kind of behavior provider, and some of the people call them like coach life. And one of the responsibilities was like teach client how to self-identify unsafe or high-risk behaviors, while also encourage them to adopt new coping skills and replacement behaviors. Another one was our clients in recognizing how to meet expectations and allow them to safely integrate into their communities while increasing their accountability for their choices and behaviors. How do you benefit the site you serve at? I think that the ones who benefits the most were the clients because I treat them with respect and love. For example, one of the clients told me like, I'm very happy that you are with me today because you treat me like a person, and most of the people, well, I'm not gonna say the staff of the company, but another people who is outside treat them like a trash. And he say, I really love that, like you treat me like a person. And also the company benefit because I was able to do a good job with the clients, and this is very important for them because they love this population. The owner of the company is always wonder about the well-being about this population. She doesn't care about make a profit from them, but to provide a good services for them and help them to have a good life every day. How did you benefit personally from the experience? I could say that I learned a lot from clients because they are a beautiful population. They have unique perspectives, talents, gifts, and a lot of things. They are so beautiful. I also gained knowledge about adult development disability services, how that works, and how we can help them. I also learned to recognize the value of each person, even if they have development disabilities or have physical disabilities. They are a great person who always has something to teach you. And this is a very true lesson. I also learned that love and respect can make a big difference in people. For example, I noticed that this population is very starving to receive love from their families and friends as we do. So love and respect make a big difference in them because they they want to feel that they are being loving and to make different things in their lives. They are always wondering about their families, their parents, because most of them live in home providers. Most of them don't live with families, so they are always um, willing to receive a feedback from the family. So love is a big difference and can make a difference in them. Describe one important connection between your coursework and what you experienced during your internship. I learned during the class at the university about how the brain works, and this helped me a lot to understand that the brains of people with development disabilities do not have the frontal lobe developed, and that is why they cannot make good decisions. It's not because they don't want it or because they behave badly, but it's because their brain has been not developed right. Even that they want and act as a people without development disabilities. Some of them they just look like as everybody, and you couldn't tell like they have development disabilities because we have clients who are very high functioning. This company used to provide services to people who has IQ between 15 and 80, and the normal is 100, I think. So they are very good, pretty good functional people. But the truth is that it's difficult for them to make good decisions. Just in this work, we are their frontal lobes that help them to make good decisions in their daily lives. Very interesting. Would you recommend this site experience to other students? I definitely recommend this site an experience to other students because they will learn to work on the field that will provide for them experience and love for adults with development disabilities. I did learn a lot from these internships because I couldn't see what I read on the books and actually see it in person. And it's very interesting and very rewarding to work with people with development disabilities because you learn to love them and value them. And furthermore, you can value your own life and the life of your family and the blessing that you have to have a healthy brain and have a healthy body. This is an amazing job. I definitely recommend it. If you would like to seek like this kind of job, I already add the Gmail, the phone, and the fax. And if you are interested to contact this agency that I truly recommend it. It's a very good company. People who work there is really nice. The owner is really nice. Supervisors and everybody is really nice and always willing to help. And they give me the opportunity to do my internship, and I feel so blessed to be able to do that. And I think that you will love it if you are in Colorado and want to find an internship here. This is a great company to do it. I promise you that you will learn a lot. Thank you.